focus on another ET Now exclusive. IDBI-LIC deal has been in the works. A lot of details are coming out. A lot of details are likely to come out. Ruchi Bhatia, who's been on the top of the story, is now joining us. Ruchi, IDBI, yesterday it was the LIC board meet that finalized the investment into IDBI. Today it's the IDBI board that will consider that investment for proposal for investment.
Absolutely. The board of IDBI Bank is meeting today at around 4 p.m. in Mumbai. They will be discussing selling management control to LIC, about 51% stake that we're talking about, and for which the IDBI Bank board will be discussing the sales plan, the valuation, and the payment method, of course. We are given to understand how in this case there could be a fresh issuance of shares, and an open offer is not likely because the public float is very less. So these are the details that, where the board of IDBI Bank as well as LIC, they're still doing a lot of back and forth. They're still discussing these two important details, and obviously what is going to be the future course of action with respect to the management. We do know how B. Sriram has been given an extended tenure of 3 months in this case. So what really happens there is something that we will have to watch out for, that, how will the synergies be there between LIC and IDBI post this deal. But having said that, while a lot of questions are being raised, a lot of investors have said that this sets a bad precedent. Why is it the market regulator SEBI should be giving it clearances? Why is it that the RBI is not raising any questions, given the fact that LIC already holds more than 10% stake in at least 6 PSU banks? Those are the more important questions. Those are the questions where it shows how the government is in fact pushing this deal, pushing this bailout of sorts. But what's in it for IDBI Bank? Remember, the government had already infused about 10,000 crore rupees in IDBI Bank in their last capital infusion. And given the current health of the bank, around 56,000 crore is the amount of NPAs that are there by the end of Q4 FY18. So the government does not want to put in any more cash, and which is why we're seeing how a fresh issuance of shares could happen. This would mean that all the money would come in directly into IDBI Bank, and the government gets saved from infusing more cash into this debt-ridden bank. And for LIC, this of course gives a foray into the bank assurance space where they see a lot of business synergies.
So much for that. We'll wait and watch. Around mid-afternoon or 4 p.m. is when you could get those details coming in. On that note, we're taking a break. We're coming back in 2 minutes, but don't go anywhere.